How to fix Facebook Lite cannot open. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have an updated version of the application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to go back and tap on the settings of the device. Then just scroll down and then tap on apps, then select manage apps. Now you can just scroll down to find the application on the app library over here. So I'm just going to scroll down and tap on Facebook Lite option. So let's just refresh this page over here. Now tap on manage page and you can just tap on clear. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you have given access to all of these options that are provided and that are necessary for the application on your device, so that you have easier approach to the application. After giving access to all of these options, make sure to tap on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.